This is a brand new 2013 Kia Sportage. This crossover has an automatic transmission, a 4-cylinder engine, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. All of the following features are included: Bluetooth cell phone integration, a rear-view camera, commercial-free satellite radio, a low tire pressure indicator, aluminum wheels, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, rear curtain airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, air conditioning, and the navigation system will help you get from point A to point B on time. With an EPA estimated rating of 27 miles per gallon on the highway, fuel efficiency does not take a back seat. This vehicle won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Fisher Auto is located at 6025 Arapahoe Drive in Boulder. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.